Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we have received Audi A6. The car has come for interior restoration. The customer is worried about this leather. You can see the driver seat and co-driver seat. A lot of cracks, damages, color has been gone away. So we are going to restore it without changing the OEM leather. So customer needs that. Customer doesn't want to change his original leather. So he has come here only for restoration. And here we are going to fix all these cracks and damages, and we are going to redye it. Kindly watch the before and after and know about our product.